This is an LG wall unit, several years old. No clue right now what model it is. Might look very familiar. It's probably very similar to many other models of wall unit that many people have purchased. And after several years of having this, it was never all that quiet, but it got really loud. And people have described the problem, the loudness sounding like a lawnmower. That's right. And this is a small, 12 by 12 outdoor block office, and this is how I keep cool in the summer, and it gets hot. So I just discovered a way to fit, to repair so far this issue. And as you can see, there's this is a aluminum tubing. It's actually a monopod, and it's sitting across here, and I'll describe what I've done. So it seems as though the front coil, as you can see here, it vibrates, and over time it just gets really bad. I have noticed when I've tried to move this section, the coil area, I actually pull on these copper pipes carefully and kind of pull it towards me, and I find that it will move and that the vibrations go away. But I mean, who can hold that? And I've tried different things, but they really didn't work. And this seems to work very, very nicely. So what I've done is used not the biggest, but very close to the biggest tie wraps. And as you can see, a little rust there. I've had this for several years. The thick part where it's connecting to the housing, or the fins, it's connected to here, and I've pulled it by hand. So I would pull on the coils themselves gently forward but firmly, and then tighten here. And this is an aluminum monopod, so it's holding nicely. Is it the same over here? Same way. Oh, let's see if we can get up underneath and see where it's connected. Okay. Same thing. Tight by hand. And this is molding that is actually holding this in, or it just for decorative purposes, but it's actually allowing this to be pulled away from the physical unit itself. So there's kind of a pinch effect with that on both sides. So that has completely taken away the noise for me, basically. I mean, it's not super quiet, but I'll turn it on. And I'll keep blowing away from the microphone here so you can hear it, but let me turn this down. Blocking the user motors. Actually, you hear that? Humming? That's actually the compressor. This is cold air coming. This is really quiet. So I'm sure there's a more attractive way to do this, but when this thing, you can hear the humming, when this thing was running, it was 10 times louder. It was incredibly loud and incredibly annoying and maddening. Hopefully this will be a help to others.